Hello pretty faces, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm showing you how to make these maxi earrings. The video is going to be longer than usual, but actually the procedure to make these beauties is very simple. Pinky promise! First of all, keep in mind that this transparent thread is necessary, otherwise it's very visible and ugly. I am using black and white thread because I want you to see very well what is going on. First of all, add a needle to both sides of a 50 cm thread and insert 3 beads. Take them to the center of the thread, and now insert one more bead and thread the thread through. Pull both sides to tighten and you'll have a 4-petal little flower. And here it is, our little flower. Insert one bead on every side, just like so, and thread the thread through a new bead. If you made this right, you'll have 2 flowers. Well, as you can see here, we need another 2, so let's repeat. Insert 1 bead in every needle and thread the thread through a 3rd bead. Pull to tighten. Do it little by little because believe me, you don't want any knot to appear here. As you can see, we have 3 flowers. Let's do it one more time. Insert 2 beads and thread the thread through a 3rd bead. The thread we have on the left goes to the right and the thread we have on the right goes to the left. I told you, it's actually very easy. Now pay attention. We have this white thread looking to the left and we need it on the right, so we have to go all these 3 beads to get over here. So just go through the beads one by one, little by little, bead by bead, placing the thread where we want it. Right here. And now we have to thread this black thread through the same bead. As you can see, we have the threads coming from the same bead but in different directions. Now we are gonna do exactly the same, just inserting 2 beads and threading the thread through a 3rd bead. Do it 2 times. And in the 3rd, you're gonna change the color. Of course, you can use the same color if you want to, but for me it was like more beautiful with 2 colors, I don't know. You have to make 3 more flowers, so you have 3 in a light color and 3 in a dark color. So once you are in the corner, you will have the same problem as before. The black color is looking to the right and we need it on the left. And the white one is looking to the left but it's not threading the bead. So you have to take your needle through every bead, like this, just moving the thread to the left. Little by little, remember, until you have it on place. And don't forget to thread the white thread, through the bead. There we go. Now we have both threads coming from the same bead, looking in different directions. Perfect. You have to make another 3 flowers. 1, 2, and 3. And then we need to make another corner. The white thread needs to be moved to the left through these 3 beads, and the black thread needs to be crossed as well. So one by one, take your white cord, well, it should be transparent, remember, through every bead to take it to the left. Like this. And this black thread, transparent in your case, must be thread through the bead as well. So now both sides are looking to the left, perfect, as we want it. This time you have to make a new flower, and in the next one you're gonna insert 2 beads with the color we are using in the bottom, and you're gonna thread the thread a different bead, the color you are using on the top of these earrings. Now you're gonna make a new flower with the same color of the top, and this time insert 1 bead, 1 single bead on the right, and go through this bead, which is in the bottom side of the first flower. Now take the other cord, insert 1 bead, and go through the same bead. There we go, we are just threading the threads through that bead we have on the bottom side of the first flower. So now I'm going to use these 2mm beads to fill all these gaps in between the other beads. It's gonna be very easy, you will see. So insert 1 bead, go through the next one, and it's gonna be placed right in the center. Insert another bead and go through the next one, just to fill those gaps. You can use these golden beads, or you can use some bead, I don't know, with the same color or something different, whatever you want. This is just one idea. Just let your imagination run free and it will be beautiful. Don't forget about the gaps on the corners, it's very important, otherwise you will see the threads and it's gonna be ugly, and believe me, you don't want this ugliness in your life. Just fill every gap with a bead and just repeat this in all the interior. Take your time and enjoy. Once you finish, just make a knot, simple knot. Tighten it very well and cut the excessive thread you may have. And now you have to repeat the same all over the outline. Just fill in every single gap with a new bead. Easy peasy. Once you are done, you have to take your needle to the center, which is right after that golden bead on the center. This one, I don't know if you can see it well, this one. You should have the same amount of beads on the left and on the right. Now insert 5 new beads and insert your needle from the opposite direction where the thread is coming. Oh, I don't know how to explain this in English. Please, if you are an English speaker, let me know how you can describe this, because I have no idea. So when you pull, you will have a little hook. And to finish, we are gonna go all over the outline again. This is just to avoid knots, because we made a knot and it's not looking good. So this is what we are going to do this time, because the outline is more visible. And once you are done, cut the excessive thread and you will have your earring done. As you can see, the one I made with the 2 colors thread are more visible and ugly, so that's why I recommend you to use a transparent one. And regarding the earring base, you can use the one you like the most. I'm gonna choose these ones because they are very cool. I think they are beautiful and looks very nice. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile, and be very, very happy.